Hey guys, today I want to go and show you how you can go and stream on kick.com, kick streaming, step by step. It's really kind of easy, also with alerts and everything else. So first of all, go to kick.com and sign up for your account. This is mine, so if you want to go and follow me, James D Music, I go stream Fortnite, Minecraft, Beat Saber, League of Legends, Sons of the Forest, also making music. I stream a lot. First of all, go to your create dashboard here. After you got that, you go to settings, and in here you can click on stream key. So now you get your stream key and your stream URL. Go to your OBS or Streamlabs OBS, whatever you use. So in OBS, you go to settings. By the way, before you do something else and you already have a setup, go to profile. I can't click it right now, but go to profile, create a new profile, call it like Kick or whatever you like. Also go to scene collection and make a new profile, call it Kick. If you don't do this, you mess everything up you already have. Like for Twitch or something, I get a separate profile and a separate scene collection. Go to settings, and in here go to stream, and here put go to custom. If it doesn't show up, should be maybe on the bottom. Go to custom, and here type in the server URL over here, and then click OK. That is how you stream. So let me show you how you can go and set up alerts, the chat, and all that. For that, you need to go to livebot.app. I have already logged in and registered. So if you have done this, you need to go and add a channel, and I have Kick James D Music. And you get a lot of options, but when you think now, hey, let's go make a sub alert, I go to alerts. Nope, that's not the way. This is alerts for your social media stuff. So when you go live, hey, Twitter says blah blah blah, I'm live on Kick blah blah, or on Discord. If you want any videos of that, how do you set up that? I'm not sure if Twitter works for me, but Discord works. Let me know. I will go make a video about it. Maybe I will make a video about it. So yeah, for setup alerts, go to overlay, and here you can go set up your chat into your display on screen. Also follow alerts like this one. Well, I got a little problem. I can't, for some reason it doesn't refresh for me or whatever, so I have still a little bit problems about it. And here you get sub alerts, sub gift alerts. Don't forget, go and you need to go and add this live bot to your Kick. For that, you go to community, moderators, and in here you click, you write in there add new, and then you write in here live bot, and just use the one live bot with a check mark, and then you add them as a moderator. Okay, next thing is alerts. You want to go and have alerts on your screen, go to this website. You don't need to have a login or something. You can also do alerts here and something, I think they have Discord. So go to widgets.kickalerts.live. So for some reason, when I go select one of these, it directs me to the Discord. So don't touch these for now. Maybe in the future, I hope it works, because this is already set it up here for you. Just type in here your Kick channel name, username. You can also do this, and then go create the goal, copy the link, and then you go back to your OBS. And here in your OBS, you click the little dot here on sources, go to browser, and give it a name. Click on goal, click here, and here you need to go and get your link in that you copied. Click OK, and then you can drag it wherever you like, maybe in this corner. I already have that, so I just show you here. It's really bad here. Here is my my follow goal. So for some reason, for me, it's not really working with the other ones. Also, maybe you wonder how to get affiliate, how to get partner on this website. on the streaming website, go to achievements, and on here they tell you what to do, like almost the same like on Twitch, but here it's a little bit easier. You need 75 follower, and you have to stream 5 hours. And if you get that, you can enable subscription. I think it's almost instant. You need to type in all your information and stuff. But yeah, so there's another website that called kickstats.live. Go on there and type in your username when you're in home. Click on here. And then you get some stats from your kick. Mine are not really updated yet much, but then when you scroll down, you can see path to affiliate, and they doing all this checkmark stuff, like you got signed up on the account, you stream for 5 hours. When you hit 75, they will checkmark that, and also when you do the progress and add your information for affiliate, then I think the checkmark is done too. Also, you can get verified, you can get a check mark on Kick. For that, you have to go stream 15 hours in 1 month. You need to go and stream on 7 unique days in a month, and also you need to have 50 concurrent viewers of the last month. So for what I've seen on Kick, sometimes it's crazy possible, yes. Alright, so if you really want to go and help me, go follow me on kick.com/JamesDMusic and leave a follow there, and I hope to see you in my streams. Also, if this video helped you, please comment below, also give it a like, and if you want to see more tutorials, check out my channel. Maybe already posted some, but I will do it in the future too, so subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope to see you next time, and bye bye.